Welcome to our video review of the Raybestos R Line replacement front disc brake rotor. In this review, we'll take a look at the features, benefits and overall value of this brake rotor. So, sit back, relax and let's get started. The Raybestos R Line replacement front disc brake rotor is designed to be a high-quality replacement for our vehicle's original equipment brake rotor. It's made from premium materials and is engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications. This brake rotor is designed for use on the front wheels of most cars, SUVs and light trucks. The Raybestos R Line replacement front disc brake rotor is made from high-quality cast iron and is engineered to provide consistent and reliable performance. It features a non-directional finish that helps to reduce noise and vibration, and it's also designed to resist wrapping and cracking under heavy use. One of the standout features of this brake rotor is its precision machined surface. The rotor's surface are machined to very tight tolerance, which helps to ensure that the rotor runs true and provides smooth, even braking. When it comes to performance, the Raybestos R Line replacement front disc brake rotor delivers. The rotor is designed to provide consistent and reliable braking performance even under heavy use. Its precision machined surface helps to ensure that the rotor runs true and provides smooth, even braking. In addition, the rotor's non-directional finish helps to reduce noise and vibration, providing a quieter and more comfortable ride. The rotor is also designed to resist wrapping and cracking under heavy use, which helps to ensure that it provides reliable performance over the long term. Overall, the Raybestos R Line replacement front disc brake rotor offers excellent value for money. It's priced competitively and is engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications. Its high-quality construction and precision machining make it a reliable and long-lasting replacement for your vehicle's original equipment brake rotor. Overall, the Raybestos R Line replacement front disc brake rotor is a great option for anyone who needs to replace their vehicle's original equipment brake rotor. It's made from high-quality materials and is engineered to provide consistent and reliable performance. Its precision machining and non-directional finish help to ensure smooth, even braking and a quiet ride. That's it for our review of the Raybestos R Line replacement front disc brake rotor. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.